Hello, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be having a look at this fantastic new bag that I got from Bellroy. It's a new product from them called the Cinch Mini Messenger. Before we do that though, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel. This week I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is amazing, and thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you continue to enjoy the videos that I put out because I really enjoy making them. So this is the Cinch Mini Messenger from Bellroy. So as I said, this is the mini size. It is 6 litre capacity. It's pretty cool. I've tried some of the sling bags from Bellroy before, and I just found that they were, even the smaller size was just, I felt too big for me. I prefer to have a smaller bag because I find when my bags are too big, they get too full and then they get too heavy. So this is my first time packing this out to see if I can use it as an everyday carry. I do have a trip coming up and I would really like to be able to use this as my kind of everyday carry bag whilst I'm on holiday. So let's have a look at that. I'll do a quick look through the bag and then we'll see what we can fit in it. Okay, so let's start off with taking off these. So that's just some things that you get. So it's leather free, it's made from recycled materials. I think this is a different fabric for Bellroy. It's called Relaxo. It's a little bit crinkly sounding, but not too bad. Let's see what it says. Anything interesting? So you can see that you've got the buckle closure, the adjustable strap. The webbing on the strap is really nice. You can see on this side it's black, but actually underneath it's brown. And I am quite pleased with that. That's lovely. It says it's weather resistant, can stand up to drizzle. And you see here there's a little picture of what the inside will look like. Elasticated slip pocket, low profile zippers, mesh zip pocket, large zip pocket. Very excited about this. Okay, all right, move that aside. And let's have a look. So we do have this strap which can be adjusted quite a bit. So you could have this as like a side bag. I'm going to be using this as a sling bag. So it's interesting, the hardware on this is metal. That's pretty cool. We've got the two little clips here. They are also adjustable, so you can, I guess, if you wanted to stuff this, like if you wanted to hold like a little jacket or a jumper or something in there, or a scarf for instance, you could. Opening it up, this is really well made. I'm very impressed with the quality of this. You can see here we've got that zip pocket here, the little stretchy pocket, and then the pocket at the back. That front pocket kind of stretches out like that. Inside we've got a little metal carabiner on this, which you can attach your keys to, I guess. This zip pocket. Now these zips are actually really nice. They kind of clip, lock down to whichever side you want them to be on. So I guess that's what they mean by low profile zips. But they're really good. Really nice, smooth opening and closing. Big mesh pocket there, that's great. And then the main compartment, let's get rid of that. The main compartment. And then we have this zip pocket here, which is actually the full back of the bag. So that's awesome. Okay. So let's see what we can fit in it. I guess I'll start off with my keys. I guess the intention is that we put them in the front, so I will do that. Next up will be my sunglasses. So I've got this really old glasses case, which is beaten to heck, but it's really hard and it's really quite like small. So I just love it. And you know what? If it isn't broken, why replace it? So I'm gonna put those in the front with my keys, like that. Now, of course, I will need to put a phone in here. I'm filming on my phone currently, so I'm just going to put in this old phone, which is about the same size as my current phone, in the zippy pocket. And this zippy mesh pocket there. Now, an everyday carry for me is, of course, my traveler's notebook. This is the passport size. This is going to be great for you to be able to actually see the size of this bag. So if I put that flap down, you can see there, that's the size of the bag. So where will we put this? I guess I could put it in this one, this big main pocket here. It would fit. And there's still plenty of space there. That's quite impressive. If I wanted it to be more secure, I guess I could put it into here. So, you know, little pickpockety fingers cannot get into there and steal it. So I guess that would work. I'm going to pop it into here. Now, another everyday carry for me is my Kindle. This is just the Kindle basic model. Will not be traveling without this. That can just go straight into sitting behind my notebook. Next up is my little card wallet. This can go in with my phone. I usually always have a lip balm on me. This one is just a hazelnut tinted lip balm from Hurrah. Pop that one in. I'll probably just pop that one in just into the bottom of the bag. That's usually where they end up. For travel, I'm going to have my passport. And I don't know if it will fit, but I'm going to see if I can fit a drink bottle in here. So this is just a 350ml drink bottle that I got from Typo. I've had this for years. It is, again, really beaten up, but it's still going strong. And it's great because it's an insulated bottle, so I can have hot drinks or cold drinks in here. So I'm thinking, will it fit in here that way? I mean, it looks like it will. And then maybe if I just adjust these a bit. I mean, obviously that's quite packed out with a bottle, but I mean, hey, like that's a useful thing to be able to put in here if I want to, is to be able to have like a bottle. It is quite packed out. Probably would be better if it was on its side. But yeah. And then without the bottle, we're just gonna close it and have a look. And that's like actually really good. I'm very happy with that. I like the space. I like that it's quite squishy. Yeah, I'm pleased with this. So yeah, that's the Bellroy Cinch Mini Messenger. What do you think? Have you seen any of the new cinch range from Bellroy? I was very excited when I saw this. It seemed to be quite a different offering from Bellroy, which is really nice to see. Yeah, I think this is going to be great for traveling. I'm very excited to use it. Obviously, I have to say that this video is not sponsored in any way. My purchase is with my own money. And I just thought I would show you what I can fit inside it. You can see there's actually still quite a bit of space there. I think maybe if I wanted to make it a bit better, I could just put my sunglasses at the side there, and that would probably actually make it just sit a bit better. So yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.